The bed is not just furniture, it is a centerpiece of your bedroom. A modern bed design can completely change the comfort and style and luxury feel to your room. So today's video I will cover importance of modern bed design and different types of modern beds and storage options and materials we can use, latest trends in India and price range in India. So if you are planning new bedroom or upgrade the bed, this video is complete guide and let's understand. So the first one is why modern bed designs is important. A bed affect the both comfort and interior beauty. This is the first better comfort. Modern beds are designed for the proper body support, better mattress fitting, and comfortable sleep posture and space utilization. Another one. Today's homes need to the smart and storage, and modern beds provide a storage drawers, hydraulic storage, and box storage. And modern beds give to the luxury hotel feel, clean and organized look, and contemporary interior style. And now types of modern bed designs. The first is the wooden modern bed. This is made from wood like engineered wood or solid wood. These are durable and timeless look. The matches the most interiors. The price in India 12,000 rupees. Upholder beds. These are soft fabric or leather finish. Cushion headboards, luxury and comfortable feel. The price in India 18,000 rupees. And storage beds, this drawer storage or box storage, best for small homes, the price will be 12,000 rupees. Hydraulic storage beds, this lift up the storage system, easy access and maximum storage space, the price will be 20,000 rupees. Platform bed, this is the low weight and minimalistic modern look, the price is just 10,000 rupees. Designer bed with headboard panels, wall mounted panels, and LED lighting options, premium bedroom style. The price will be starting at 35,000 rupees going up to the 1 lakh rupees. Materials used in modern beds are engineered wood is affordable and termite resistant and lightweight, and solid wood is a long lasting, strong texture and premium cost. And metal frame beds, modern industrial look, durable and budget friendly. And fabric leather upholder beds, this soft and stylish and added to the comfort and stylish look to the headboards. The modern bed features to look for cushionable headboards, built-in side tables, USB charging ports, LED backlight, soft close of storage, and noise-free structure. These features improve the both comfort and convenience. So friends, latest bed design trends in India. Natural color beds, grey or beige and walnut, and floating bed designs, and vertical panel headboards, and minimal